No lie, the first time I saw Red Hot Blaze, I was like, oh. I'm sexologist Dr. Jill, and I am loving the new Red Hot line by Cal Exotics. And what they all have in common, other than adorable fire-themed names and a unique deep red color that you don't see in many vibrators, is that they all have a compact design for discreet play and easy holding. The clitoral stimulating tip is at a perfect length when you hold these toys. Silicone material for easy cleanup, 100% waterproof for fun in the shower, 10 different speeds and functions, and a USB charger, so you never have to hunt for batteries in the heat of things, which is the worst buzzkill ever. The heads of each of the Red Hot vibes is different depending on what type of clitoral stimulation you want. If you like intense rumbling sensations, you want the flame. If you like your clit nestled and stimulation from both sides, you want the ignite. If you like broad stroking and flicking sensations, you want the blaze. Collect them all and do some personal discovery.